Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over the count formulas. We're going to go over 4 of the count formulas today. We've got the count, count A, count if, and count blank. Let's get started. The regular count formula is going to count only numeric values in all the cells that you've selected. So let's get started and let's show you how this is done. Equals count, open our brackets, and we can either select all of our data or we can hit one at a time and select it with a comma. Because there's a lot of data here, let's select it all. Close our bracket, and it shows us there are 5 numeric values in these cells that I've selected. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's not counting this because there is no numeric value here. If I copy this over to column B, you will see that it is showing 0 because there are no numeric values. It's all filled with text. Now the count A formula will allow you to count any non-blank cells. So that's both numeric numbers as well as text letters. So if I were to write our count A formula, I can select these and enter, and that will also show me 5 because those are non-blank cells. I've got 5 non-blank cells. But if I copy this formula over here, it will actually show me 5 as well because it is counting our text as well as our numbers. So now to recap this a little bit, the count formula only counts cells with numbers in them, and the count A formula will count any cell with numbers or text. The next formula that we will go over is the count blank formula. The count blank formula will count the number of blank cells in your selection. So we can do equals count blank, select our range, enter. And it's showing us that there is 1 empty blank cell there. This is helpful, especially if you're looking through a large set of data and you're trying to see if there's any areas that are missing. And finally, but not least, is our COUNTIF formula. So now let's write our formula. So let's say we want to COUNTIF the range, and here is where we can write our criteria. We want to write anything over $50,000 is going to be included as part of our count. So we can say quotation marks greater than 50,000, close our brackets, and press enter. And that is returning and telling us that there are 4 cells where the value is over $50,000. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The only one that isn't counted is this one here. Let's do that again with a different set of criteria. We can do equals COUNTIF, select our range, comma, and our criteria will be if they are in finance. And it's returning and telling us that there are 3 in finance. And just like that, you've been able to master the count formulas. You've got your count, count A, count if, and count blank. Feel free to let me know in the comments what Excel tutorials you want next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.